What's up, you guys? Right now we're gonna go look at the surprise I want to show y'all. We're in another guy's backyard, but what I want to show y'all is, well, let's see when we get there. It's a surprise, let's just say that, because it's gonna be a new project, a build. Have no way to get it from 2 houses down from my house to my house because the back wheels are locked up. But it's kind of hard. Maybe I can jump this fence with one hand. Alright. I made it over the fence with one hand. It runs. The starter's just messed up on it. It needs a new starter. But it's hard as hell to get out this motherfucker. Alright, look at that. It is hard as hell to get out. I mean, it's in good shape and stuff. It's just when I try to pull it, back wheels won't turn. And that's really irritating me. But this ain't your average video for this page. But it's fucking hard. I mean, hard. Alright, well, I'm gonna pause the video and see if I can get it a little ways over. Alright, well, you guys, that was very unsuccessful. It didn't move. Back wheels freaking locked up on it. I don't think I said that yet, but fucking back wheels are locked up on it, so it's kind of hard to move. We're probably gonna have to get in with the truck and pull it out, because as you can see, it doesn't look like nothing works at all. There's no neutral thing. There's no. I gotta crack the case open and see what's wrong with that. And you can tell it's been sitting forever. But it runs. Just the starter's messed up. But this is gonna be a mud mower build. Hopefully it's successful. It's gonna have a little lift on it with some bigger tires. But I might use tires that are already on it until I get some more. But it's gonna be really, really hard. I'm gonna cut this off. This is gonna be part 1. So like, subscribe, and comment. Holla.